how many cups of milk you can make out of that gallon. This is a problem or a strategy that you can use to solve that. So we have this milk, and I have these, lovely little Halloween cups. Now these cups are each 8 ounces, and we know that there's 8 ounces in 1 cup. Now what I'm wanting to know is that if I have this whole gallon of milk, how many cups could I pour so that, more people than just me could enjoy this lovely cake? So our problem is, how many 8-ounce glasses, or 1-cup glasses, could I fill from that gallon? So I'm going to show you guys a strategy today that you can use when you are trying to solve problems that have to do with gallons. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this nifty little trick. So we are going to start with 1 gallon, and I'm going to make a big giant G for my gallon, because we know that we have 1 gallon of milk. So gallons can be split up into a couple different things. You can split gallons up into quarts, pints, and then cups. Gallon is the biggest, that's why I made the G so big. After the gallon is going to come quarts. Now inside of the gallon there are 4 quarts. So I'm going to make 4 Q's to show the 4 quarts that are inside of that gallon. After the quarts come the pints. Pints are just a little bit smaller. I'm going to put 2 pints into each quart. Okay. So if I wanted to know how many quarts were in the we can do quarts. How many quarts were in the whole gallon? I could count up the quarts inside the G, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Q's. How many pints are in a gallon? Well, I could count that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pints in a gallon. Okay, last but not least, we're going to get to the one we need, which is cups. Inside each of these little pints, there are 2 cups. So I went ahead and put my cups in there. And now we can see this is our completed gallon chart. So to answer that question about if I had this gallon of milk and I wanted to split it into 8-ounce cups, or 1 cup cups, how many could I get out of that gallon? Well, let me look, and I can count up the cups that I have in this gallon. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in a gallon, there are 16 cups. So here we have our gallon chart. You can refer back to this. Here are your 2 questions that I would like for you to be able to answer. So, how many pints are in 2 quarts, and how many cups are in 6 pints?